Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the error of duplicate login detected on the Among Us game. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to play the Among Us game, but when you open it up, you get an error message telling you that there is a duplicate login that has been detected, then there is one way to fix this issue. This issue arises if your account has been signed in to another device as well. So you will need to go into this old device where your account has been logged in and then simply long press on the Among Us game. From the Among Us game menu, tap on the info button at the top section and you will be taken into the application info page for the game. From this page, first of all tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and then tap on the OK button to stop the game. Then scroll down and tap on storage. From the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on the delete button, and this will delete all of your user data for the Among Us game and you will be logged out from this device. Now you can go back to your new device and open up the game and log in, and you will successfully be able to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how you can solve the duplicate login detected issue in the Among Us game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.